so beautiful.
What's good, loyal gang? Yeah. High five. That was good. All right, y'all. So we are back once again with another video. So what we doing today, Lily?
We're gonna go for my hair off.
We're gonna do what?
Go for my hair off.
We're gonna do cut your hair off.
No, I'm gonna go for my hair off.
So you tell them how you want your hair done.
I want to know taking my hair done.
I can't remember if we missed last week or the last 2 weeks. I can't remember, y'all, but we back with another hair video. So I went ahead, washed her hair, and now, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize her hair. I did put some leave-in conditioner on it. Let me go ahead and take these plaits out. You wanna watch the phone? Okay, well, let mommy take these out real quick. So I want to give y'all a few updates. What's happened since the last time we got on here? Okay, so yeah, so I remember I was telling y'all that I was just trying to figure out what content to do on Liyah's channel. So I decided that I definitely want to do, because it is going to be like more family, like more mommy and me type of stuff with me and the girls. And then y'all will get to see Liyah by herself, of course. I want to definitely get back into doing like food videos and stuff, because I know y'all really enjoy watching Liyah eat. Off camera, y'all, me and Liyah be eating. So I definitely want to bring that type of content with us trying new foods and stuff, because me and her both like trying new stuff, giving our opinion on this stuff. That's stuff that we do off camera already. So I definitely want to get back into doing like mukbangs and stuff like that. So y'all let me know if y'all want to see more mukbangs. Y'all, I haven't had any luck with finding her a new daycare. So I'm still scheduling tours and trying to find the perfect fit for her. But I'm just taking my time. I'm not rushing it. She's home with me throughout the day. And y'all, she asks for a snack every second. Right, Lily? So that's what y'all don't see. So y'all know, y'all be, oh, Liyah's such a good eater. Oh, she not picky. Y'all, she asks for snacks all day, 24/7. It does not stop. So I definitely want to get her in school so that way she can kind of have more of a routine. And then we'll probably do spend like one day a week where we get videos and stuff done for y'all. Like today we're going to do 2 videos for this week. And then we'll just kind of, that'll kind of just be like the schedule on when it comes to this channel. So it's just going to be like a little bit of everything. We may even incorporate some vlogs in the future. We just gonna see how it go. We really just having fun with it. I'm not really sticking to nothing. Like we just gonna have fun with it. She like getting her hair done. We like to eat. We might as well make it into a video. So that's what we gonna do. I'm just about to put some of this Indian hemp grease on her scalp, because her hair is a little dry. I definitely need to do an updated wash routine with their hair. If y'all didn't see the first one, I may repost it on this channel because it is on our old channel. Like, Liyah was so small on that video, so I definitely may repost it for the people that haven't seen it. But I took y'all through the whole process of me washing all 3 of their hair, y'all, plus mine. What you want to watch?
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig? Of course you want to watch Peppa Pig.
I like Peppa Pig.
Huh?
I like Peppa Pig.
You like Peppa Pig? get a snack. You gonna split it with mommy? All right, y'all. We gonna take a little break, little snack break. We just ate a sandwich for lunch, so we gonna split this little oatmeal cake, the little oatmeal cream pie. Can mommy eat it?
No, you open it.
Can I have it?
You open it.
Y'all, she gets so serious about snacks, y'all. Just watch how she about to act. Imagine this all day long, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna take a little break, y'all. I had to find some rubber bands because I couldn't find the rubber bands, so I could do her beads. I think I'm gonna change these. I'm gonna make them into 3s. Keep that as 2. I'm gonna add one more twist. That way they'll be a little skinnier. You should let me have that piece. Yeah, let me have it. I don't want that. Y'all let me know what's y'all favorite little Debbie cake snacks. I'm gonna have to say oatmeal cream pies and which one? I like zebra cakes too.
Zebra cake.
Zebra cakes? What's your favorite?
Mine.
That's your favorite? I think any of them is Liyah's favorite, y'all. I kind of like it with the bigger twist because I love big twists. But, yeah, but I know it'll look better with the beads. It'll look better with the beads. Better with the beads. Better with the beads. Okay, turn. There you go. It'll look better with the beads. It'll look better with the beads. It'll look better with the beads. Better. What song you gonna sing? Better with the beads. It look better with the beads. It look better with the beads. It look better. It look better. It look better with the beads. We done made up a song, Lily. It look better with the beads. It look better with the beads. It look better. It look better. It look better with the beads. It look better with the beads. It look better with the beads. It look better. It look better. It look Liyah. It look better. It look better. It look better with the beads. Huh? That is funny. That's our dance we be doing. We gotta show them our dance.
Sorry, dance? I could be in my hair. A peanut purple bean.
Yep, you got purple.
Purple.
Purple. Purple. Purple. What color is this?
Purple.
Yep. What color is this?
White.
Good job. What color is this?
Green.
Good job. Going?
I
Going?
said green.
Going?
Green?
You said it so fast. You look so pretty.
I'm so pretty.
You tired?
No, I'm not tired.
You sure? You look a little sleepy.
I'm not sleepy.
You're not sleepy? Okay. Alright, you ready to see your hair?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Look in the mirror.
Okay. So beautiful.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
You like your beads?
Uh-huh.
Let me see you shake them. Shake them beads, shake them beads, shake them beads, shake them beads. What kind of shake was that? Your hair's so long.
You have so long?
You like it?
Uh-huh. No, go open it.
You want to open it? Okay.
My left thing.
We got to get you some more makeup.
My mama.
All the other ones. You lost all the other ones.
Okay.
You going to put that on?
There it is.
You got to get pretty. Ooh. You want to put some of mommy's on?
Uh-huh.
There you go. Rub it on your lips. Ooh, it's pretty.
You have mine.
You want me to have some?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Make me pretty. Hold on.
There we go.
You look pretty?
Okay, we're
Hold on, let me see. Ooh, we cute. Let me see.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, we real cute.
Yeah,
You see your hair?
Uh-huh.
You like it?
I'll go get your beads.
Yeah. Oh, you gonna give me some beads?
Uh-huh.
Mommy don't want no beads.
No.
Mm-mm. I'll let you, Maya, and Bria have the beads, okay?
Mama has a bead. Maya has a bead. Maya has a bead. I got a bead.
Yeah, y'all all got some beads now.
You don't have the bead.
I don't have no beads. Mommy don't want no beads. I'm too big.
YouTuber.
I'm too big.
Look.
I used to have beads when I was little.
You was little?
Mm-hmm. When mommy was little, I had some beads.
You have some beads?
So I don't need no more.
No, need no more.
Mm-mm. I don't need no more. I'm good.
Look.
What you trying to get? You trying to get it? There you go.
Thank you. Look.
You want to do your eyelashes?
Uh-huh.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Even though you don't need them because your eyelashes so long and pretty. You got it? You want me to do it?
Uh-huh.
Let me see. Close your eye. Ooh. A little bit more. There we go. You look beautiful.
Yeah, I look beautiful.
You got it? Gotta push it in hard. There you go.
There we go.
All right, let's look at us.
No, look
Let's
up.
look. Let's look. Oh, we cute, girl. We cute. We cute, girl.
No, turn light.
Oh, turn the light on.
Uh-huh.
Which? Oh, that one or the one at the top?
Yeah.
Oh, we cute. Cute face. Oh, we cute. All right, y'all. So this is her hairstyle. Let's do a little 360 for him. Turn your head. Yes. Y'all see it? We got the twist with the beads. Turn. Show this side. Real cute. You so pretty.
I'm so pretty.
You so pretty.
I'm so pretty.
You finally got your beads. Are you happy?
Happy.
We'll have an update coming soon with everything. I know I did see a few questions in the last video, so I make sure I'm just jotting those questions down so that way we can get a Q&A done because we haven't did one in a while. But yeah, y'all, I really do want to do a mukbang. It's been a minute since Liyah did one too, and it's been a while since I did one, so I definitely want to do a mukbang. Let me know if y'all got any type of mukbang suggestions. So y'all let me know if y'all want to see that, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
Yay.
You over here just looking. I told y'all. The whole time I'm talking, she just looking at herself. This what she do when she get beads. This what she do. You look so cute.
I look so cute.
You look so cute.
I look so cute.
Let me know if y'all are loving the content, and we'll see y'all in the next video. You gonna do your peace sign? Peace, loyal, gang. Gang, gang, gang. Hey. 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 Hey.